This is my 6 weeks and 3-day-old Pitbull Terrier pup. She's all brown, like a dark brownish, with the white chest. Can you let him see your white chest? Oh, you're not doing it right now. Well, she doesn't. Well, you can see it a little bit right there. Yeah. She's nice. Pretty small. I'm not gonna say pretty small, but she is small to the ones that I had before. She sleeps all day. I'm just gonna start updating it like daily to show y'all her progress. Every week I'm gonna upload something. Yeah, this is Cali. Her name's Cali, by the way. She cool. Super cool. She doesn't really bite a lot either. You know how the pups like to bite everything. She doesn't like to bite a lot, amazingly, which is good. But yeah, this is Cali. To keep y'all up some more updates, you know, weekly. You say hey? You say hey? You say hey? You see her paws up close. See if you can see her standing up before we go. Yeah, this is Cali. 6 weeks and 3 days. Yep, I'll keep you updated.